Hi everyone. For Friday, we are finishing up with money today. So the last thing that we're going to do is page 146, question 1 to 6. So it's still working with money like things in a shop. So for question 1, it says, what was the total of bill A? Total gives us a big hint of what to do. We need to add it all up together. So if this is bill A, you just write this out like this and add up your total. Easy peasy. For question 2, it says, what was the total of bill B? Bill B is over here. Same thing again. Total told us what to do, so we're going to add them all up and put our answer in there. Question 3 says, by how much is bill A greater than bill B? So they basically want to know how much more it would cost to buy all the things in bill A than it would to buy all the things in bill B. That's a takeaway. We have to put the bigger number on top in a takeaway. So before I even figure it out, I know that bill A is greater than, so it's more expensive than bill B. So that one is going to go on top. The answer you got for part 1 is going to go on top of the answer you got for part 2, and you're going to do a takeaway. Question 4 says, Peter bought 6 packets of balloons. How many balloons did he get? So he bought 6 packets of balloons. These are the balloons. And there's 48 balloons in each packet. So we're going to multiply 48 by 6 to find out how many balloons he got. The other option is, if you want, you could add 48 up 6 times and you'll get the same answer. Question 5 says, a shop sold 7 packs of cards. How many is that altogether? So here's the cards. There's 52 in each and they sold 7 packs. 2 ways to do it again, just like with the balloons. You can either do 52 multiplied by 7, which is the quick way, or you can add up 52 7 times. So you would put 52, 52, 52, 52, 52, 52, and 52 all under each other like this. Except it's not money, it's cards, so you don't need euro signs or decimals. And then your answer will be the amount of cards that were sold altogether. And question 6 is probably the hardest one. It says, how much would 100 grams of grapes cost? Now, over here they look like peas, kind of, but these are grapes, 500 grams of grapes. So they want to know how much 100 grams of grapes costs. So the first thing, the hard part of it, would be to figure out the difference. So if I want to know 100 grams, 500 grams is 5 times that. So I need to divide 235 by 5, and then I'll find out how much 100 grams costs. It's the same as when we're dividing to find out the price of 1, because if I cross off 2 zeros here and cross off 2 zeros here, it's like telling me that 5 grapes is 235 and I want to know the price of 1 grape. So don't let the big numbers put you off. When you're working with zeros, you can just cross off zeros to match. So 2 zeros there would make it 5 and 2 zeros there would make it 1. But even without crossing them off, you just think in your head, 500 is 5 times the amount of 100. So that's how you know to divide it by 5. So how to do the last one is €2.35 divided by 5, and that will give you your answer for part 6.